Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the International Fall Wreath Challenge for 2019, and this one is hosted by some fabulous international sisters: Moondas Life Handmade, Deco Easy, Style with Pat, Kentucky Fried Fun, Shell's Glam Home, and Kiki DIYs. These lovely ladies have asked us to participate by creating a fall wreath. It could be thrifted, it could be an old wreath that you give new life to, it could be a new wreath, whichever way you want to do it, but they wanted us to submit some fall wreath designs. So what you'll see me doing is creating my wreath design with two different wreaths. I was given these small, I think they're for a candle base, but they're tiny little wreaths. I usually put them on our bedroom doors for Christmas, and they have little Christmas sayings on them that I hang on there. But I wanted to have a little bit of green in my wreath this time, so I added that smaller wreath into the middle section of my larger fabulous gold wreath that I got from Target and went everywhere to look for. And then I just wanted to add a little ribbon. I used some mesh ribbon and some of my new floral, my burnt orange hydrangeas I used. And then I used some gold sparkly leaves that I got from At Home, I think. It may have been Michael's, but I think they were from At Home. I got those for, after Christmas, for a clearance sale. So, check out what I've done with my wreath and watch me as I, put everything on the wreath. Make sure that you like the video, share the video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Also, make sure that you check out the 6 ladies that have that are hosting this challenge. Again, it's Moondas Life Handmade, Deco Easy, Style with Pat, Kentucky Fried Fun, Shell's Glam Home, and Kiki DIYs, and their links will be in the description below, as well as the link to the playlist. Hope you like what I've done, and until next time, you guys, bye!